Have you ever wondered how to make money online with Chat GPT-4 in 2024? Amazingly, there are quite a few ways to turn this sophisticated AI into a steady stream of income. Firstly, one can build an HTML website with Chat GPT-4. By coding a simple single-purpose HTML website, you can monetize it by running Google Ads, providing a passive income. Alternatively, you can use Chat GPT-4 to build out other websites. Enhancing existing websites, improving content, or creating new features, you can offer your services to website owners and earn money. Another method is to write and sell an ebook with Chat GPT-4. Collaborate with the AI to write an ebook on a topic of your choice, then self-publish it on platforms like Amazon to earn royalties. Or how about creating a Chrome extension with Chat GPT-4? In addition, affiliate marketing is a viable option. By using Chat GPT-4 to create high-quality content around a specific niche or product, you can join affiliate programs and promote products through your content, earning commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Content creation and freelancing can also be a lucrative venture. By collaborating with Chat GPT-4 to write blog posts, articles, or social media content, you can offer your writing services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online courses and webinars are another great method. Create an online course or host webinars on a topic you're knowledgeable about using Chat GPT-4 to assist in creating course materials and promotional content. You can then monetize your expertise by selling access to these educational resources. For those who are social media savvy, social media management is a great way to earn money. Use Chat GPT-4 to generate engaging social media posts, then offer social media management services to businesses or individuals, charging a monthly fee for managing their social media accounts. Finally, consulting and coaching can be a lucrative venture. By leveraging Chat GPT-4 to create consulting frameworks or coaching materials, you can offer consulting services in your area of expertise, such as business, marketing, health, and provide personalized guidance to clients, charging for your time. To summarize, while Chat GPT-4 won't make you rich overnight, it can be a game changer by streamlining tasks and filling skills gaps. With some effort, creative exploration, and leveraging its capabilities, you can indeed boost your online income. The future is here, and it's time to embrace it.